Welcome you all my lecture series of C programming. In today's class we are going to see about the array of structures. Before that I recollect that what is the structure and how the declaration of structures and how the initialization of structure is done. So structure is a collection of different data types. So in that structure first we have to define the structure. Once you defined, the memory is not allocated. So the declaration, after the declaration only the memory is allocated. So that is a very important concept in the structure. And also the declaration is done in the two ways. One is that we can declare the structure variable in the definition itself or outside the structure definition. So this is the two way of representation. So now in today's video we are going to see about what is an array of structures. We can also declare a array of structure variables in which each element of an array will represent the structure variable. Example, struct employee emp of 5. So what does it mean by we are define an array emp of size 5. So each element of the array emp is of type employee. So all the elements of an array is an employee. Here you are going to create 5 employee records. So this is an array of structure. Now we will see the program. Here there is the program of employee details. First statement is a header file inclusion statement. Next we are going to define the structure. For example, struct employee. So this program is a employee management system. Here we are declaring the employee of employee name and salary as a structure elements. So the structure name is an struct employee. So in the next statement we are going to create the structure element of emp, structure variable, that is an emp. Emp of 5 means we are creating the employee of 5. So this is the thing. So the what is the size of a structure employee is the character contains the 10 bytes, and also we have an salary is an integer, so that is a 2 bytes. So the total size of the employee structure is a 12 bytes. So after that we are going to initialize the I comma j variable, because we are going to print the 5 employee data. So using the array of structures. So using the for loop, we are using for I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. So first thing we are going to enter the employee record. So in the employee record of first employee, that contains the employee name and salary. And next we are going to print that employee name and salary in using the printf statement. So what my output is? First we are after compiling and doing the execution, we are doing with given the value of 3 employees, name and salary one by one. So the employee 1, employee 2 and employee 3. After that we are going to displaying the employee record using the statement of printf. Here the employee name and salary is the element. That element is accessed through the variable emp. This is the structure variable are used to access that employee name and salary. So this is an example of array of structures. So same like that we can create the student mark statement also. For example, the student grade system contains for a single student we have the student name and student register number and set of 5 subject mark, and finally we are going to print the grade using the finding the average of marks. We are declaring the grade. This is the scenario. For that we are creating the student record of 5 students using the array of structures concept. So that thing we are declaring the variable array structure variable of student. So we are creating the 5 students record, and also inside the structure also we are using that array. For example, marks, we are getting the 5 subject mark. So using that mark of 5 marks, declaring the marks as an array inside the structure. So this is the way we can create the array of structure and structure within the structure also. I hope you will understand the concept of how the array of structure is explained in terms of this example. Thank you.